Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Spice Trail. Today, I am going to make a healthy and spicy guava mocktail for kids. Please don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you like this recipe. Let's start. I will start with rimming the glass with salt. Take dry salt in a plate. You can add a little red pepper with salt to give a better look. Now take a piece of lemon and carefully rub on the rim. I know you will do this perfectly. That's perfect. Now slowly rim the glass with salt. That's perfect. You are watching Spice Trail. Okay. Add 4 to 5 pieces of lemon. Few coriander leaves. 1 seedless green chili. Little black salt. Okay. Now add fresh black pepper. Great. Add 180 milliliters guava juice. If you like to watch more delicious recipes like this, please subscribe to the channel. Spicy Guava Mocktail is packed with vitamins and a hint of spice, making it a delightful choice for any occasion. Perfect. Now carefully muddle all the ingredients. Take extra care while muddling. Don't touch the rim of the glass. Perfect. Now carefully add ice cubes. Awesome. Now gently stir the mocktail. You are watching Spice Trail. Spicy Guava Mocktail is almost ready. Now it's time to garnish the mocktail. Add a fresh lemon slice. Perfect. Add a branch of coriander leaves. Okay. Spicy Guava Mocktail is ready. You can check the description box for a detailed recipe. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with a delicious recipe.